Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm bringing back a good old outfit of the day videos. So today I just wanted to quickly share with you my outfit so it may serve you as an inspiration. Everything is second-hand apart from my jewelry. I'm going to talk about it later, but first let's start from the hair accessory. Well, this is not second-hand actually. I bought it at Sezane store and I really like it because it's like two tones of neutral. Very beautiful hair accessory, and I like to wear it whenever I have like a second day hair. It's kind of masking that not really freshly washed hair situation. This is my handmade jewelry. I will put the link to my Instagram where I sell my crystal jewelry. You are welcome to go and check it out. This is moonstone, a very beautiful necklace, and I really like it a bit shorter, but I can custom make it for you. This is great for feminine energy and for the beauty and very soft energies. It brings into your life very positive energies, good mood, so I really like it. And it's even more powerful on the nights of the full moon. This is a golden chain necklace that I always wear, and I always layer it with other crystal necklaces that I wear. What kind of energy would you like to bring into your life? Let's chat about that, because I can make a crystal combination based on your needs, on your goals, on your current life situation. So I would really like to talk about that with you. Just drop me a line. Then I'm wearing this super cute top by Sezane. I absolutely love that brand. I actually found a lot of second-hand pieces from Sezane. So I'm going to show you how I paired this top today. So basically it's super cute top I showed you in a haul. It's really lovely and it's really great for small boobs because it kind of accentuates this area. It gives you a little bit of cleavage, so it's very cute. My sandals are next. They are also second-hand, but they were brand new when I got them, and they're real leather and they're very comfy. I always wear flats these days. They're very comfy and I just love them. And my bag I'm going to show you. So this is my bag. It's by Mango, and again second-hand. I actually bought it last summer and I've been wearing it a lot last summer and this summer as well. It's not too big of a bag, but everything fits inside and it's super cute. I really love it. It's just a summer bag, you know, straw material bag. It goes really well with all my summer outfits and it's my go-to bag basically. Regarding Sezane sizing, I'm going to talk more about that, but these pants, for example, they are high waist, and normally in other like high street stores, when it comes to high-waisted pants, I would go for European 34. I'm usually 36, but with these pants by Sezane I had to go with 38 European. So I think they really run small. And regarding this little top, this is actually size medium, which is crazy because it looks like extra small to small. So bear in mind when you are purchasing Sezane, in my opinion, clothes just run small, so go size up or even 2. Nail polish of the day, it's by Essence, just, you know, snow white. Really like it because it gives you that classy long nails effect. And these are my shorts, again from Sezane, second-hand. They are amazing, I absolutely love them. Floral print, I'm definitely floral print kind of gal. I absolutely love a high waist. I think they're very flattering, and they're this denim material. I just tucked my top inside of the pants. Okay guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this outfit of the day video from my garden. Mosquitoes are killing me, but everything for the sake of the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some ideas on what can you wear on a daily basis throughout this summer, and I will definitely try to post more of these because I know you guys like them. Whenever I film these videos I get positive feedback, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Ciao.